Hey, what's up everyone? This is David at Kopa Tours, and today we are climbing the Cactus to Clouds Trail. Cactus to Clouds is a 22-mile, 10,400 foot elevation hike. The trailhead starts in downtown Palm Springs, just behind the Palm Springs Art Museum. You'll climb anywhere from 12 to 16 hours uphill along a one-way route. After you reach the summit, you will take a cable tram back down to sea level. The tram drop-off point is not at the same location as where you left, so you will either need a buddy to pick you up when you finish your hike, or you will need to take an Uber or a Lyft back to your parked vehicle. There are 2 small rescue boxes along the trail, near mile markers 3 and 8, but they are strictly for emergency need, a situation where the hiker has serious life or death risk. Feel free to help restock if you have extra, non-perishable supplies to spare. This video is a small catalog of commentary as I made my way along the Cactus to Clouds Trail. For a full and comprehensive set of hike details, please visit kopatours.com. I've placed a link just below this video on YouTube. Join me on my way as I summit Mount San Jacinto. I wish you the best of luck on your adventure as well, and stay safe. It's recommended you start early in the morning in the pitch black, because otherwise, if you leave midday or early in the morning, like say 9 or 10 a.m., you're not going to have enough time to get back down to the bottom because the tram stops operating from the peak down to Palm Springs sometime in the late afternoon. So get used to hiking in the dark because it's kind of what's necessitated here to make sure you make it up and out safely. Woke up pretty early this morning, 2 a.m. Went down to downtown Palm Springs at the museum and began my hike in the pitch black with the headlight. I'm now about 4 miles in. It's like 6:10 in the morning, about a fifth of the way up the mountain. This trail is actually famously one of the most difficult ones in the country, top 5 in the Backpacker magazine. So it's not easy, not for those with a faint of heart, but if you'd like a challenge, this is a trail for you. The lower half of the Cactus to Clouds Trail is also called the Skyline Trail. Reason being, as you can see, the nice beautiful skyline laid out across Southern California as you climb up to the peak of Mount San Jacinto. In the summer, you can get up to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit here as you climb up the ridge, and then of course in the deepest of winter you can get down to -15, -16. Today I'm here mid-February, so it's more conveniently right in the middle. It's a nice breezy, 55 degrees. Just enough, for me to wear pants, a light shirt or two. Got my winter coat in my backpack just in case when it gets cold at the top, but otherwise, it's a pretty nice casual trip up for me. The local hikers do a really good job of marking the trail, for the main path and what may be incorrect and a side trail. You notice here, right, we've got a nice wooden log kind of giving you a hint that that's the incorrect way to go. You want to instead bank right. Sometimes these are subtle, so you need to keep your eyes out and, make sure every single point you see a junction, look for the rocks, look for the branches, and you'll know the best way to go. In the wintertime, even up until May, micro spikes are an absolute must. Otherwise, you're apt to fall and slip and cause yourself serious harm. Cactus to Clouds hike isn't a very practical hike to do. If you want to see the views at the top, you can just take the Palm Springs tram up to the top for $13 and get the same experience. People who do this hike do it because they have a unrelenting focus on personal achievement. Doing a hike like this is very difficult. It's As I said, top 5 difficulty in the entire continental United States. And this is the perfect warm-up too if you want to go on something bigger, like say you want to go do Everest Base Camp or Mount Kilimanjaro. This is a trial run that you can do in one day on a cheap drive out to Palm Springs, spend the day attempting the summit. If you can make that 10,000 foot climb up to the top, I guarantee you can do the 15, 20,000 elevation height climbs over the 4 or 5 day journey, at either of those big, international destination mountains. This video only touches the surface of what you need to know to climb the Cactus to Clouds Trail. For a full and detailed step-by-step guide, please hit us up at kopatours.com. There are photos for every step along the way, as well as pro tips plus a detailed GPS guide. Thank you for tuning in. We at Kopa Tours wish you the best of luck on your hike, whether it be in Palm Springs, Africa, or anywhere. Thank you.